No, 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yeah, I'm getting
5,
white.
6, 7,
Yeah,
8,
you know what?
9.
Let's just follow this order though.
We're
White and
missing. We're
yellow.
missing a color.
Why not?
Look, because we only have a total of 9 reds. 1. This is one combination. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
We don't have any other
7,
color.
8, 9.
So you're missing one red?
But the
No, we're
other red is
missing.
right here.
We're
We
missing
have
different
two reds here.
combinations.
Oh.
So we have only 9 lists.
Wait, what?
Is this the answer?
We don't need a red?
No, we need.
It's your strategy.
But is that? I did this. No, we need.
Okay, how many answers did you come up with?
No, it's because I was.
So which one is your answer?
Which one is it?
One of them is the correct answer.
This one.
That's the equation. Miss.
This one.
Okay. Yeah, so find an equation for this.
That's the equation he got.
What'd you get?
She said there was supposed to be 11.
What the heck?
11, yeah, different combination.
I just added 10.
Can you explain to me this one? But this is not the correct answer.
The 10. I'll try.
Educated guess.
The 10 flavors
I was about to
divided
add,
by
I
the
was about to add a question mark for some
samples,
reason.
like the two. Where's the thing at the? Oh,
The combination
the
of
two
10.
scoops. Yeah.
Just the combination of 10.
Times
Put in red.
the 10 flavors minus the 2. I don't know.
C stands for combination, doesn't it?
That's that's the equation for combination.
Yeah, and the R.
How did you come up with that?
The
Did you
pair,
have
we
that?
had with 10 and 2, right? Those are for our pair.
Uh-huh.
And then, honestly, I don't know how to get the 10 in the exclamation mark.
What is that exclamation point?
Oh, you multiply radical. You multiply like 2. Wait, hold up. You multiply by. Wait.
So did you use calculator to get 45?
Yeah, no, he used Google. Yeah, actually, I didn't use Google. I used Yahoo. Yahoo answer.
Okay,
And 45 is not the answer.
this is not the correct answer because you can show more.
It's 55, huh?
That's because here you cannot repeat
Oh, okay, okay.
with this combination. You cannot repeat any number. But what we're doing, we can repeat just once. Red. But using this formula, you cannot make a red. So this is missing the 45.
Yellow and green.
But
Plus 10.
yeah, it looks Googled. What do you think is that 10? So
The ones you can.
how did you get that? And can you make a pattern? Can you make an equation? Since you already come up with the correct answer.
I did a pattern.
You have that pattern, but then what equation can we use? This is a kind of equation which is beyond your what you know right now. So
The
we're
10
gonna have
flavors, the 10 flavors times the amount you can use them.
the 10 different flavors. Yeah.
So, like he did it.
What'd you do?
Like,
So
he's doing it.
what's the answer?
1 1 2 2 1 like that. 2 2 2 1. But all the way. So like the 10 flavors times like X or something like that.
Hold up.
The flavor, like I mean, the combinations you can make.
Sky blue.
So you use number instead of colors, which is better for tracking. Now, this is one representation that's good. That's another representation that's good. And then you can also think of a pattern. That's better if you find an equation. We're instead of 10 colors, now we're gonna do 20. We can use it.
Oh, they're actually working it. I like that. What the heck?
Great peak.
Hold up.
All right, so different ways.
So we did, we wrote down the colors, listed off like, okay, so green can go with green, but then it could also go with coral, and then we did all the colors. And as we went, we were taking off the first number, because, I mean the first color, because we paired it with the other ones.
Like already.
Very good.
And so
So like then it gets smaller, and then we got 54. Like green can go with green, coral, blue, yellow, gray, dark blue, red, pink, light green. But then when we go to coral, we don't pair with green because we already did up here.
Yeah, that's true. Okay, so you're close. Why are you missing one? What is
I
the
might have
missing one?
miscounted.
Okay.
You think?
Yeah. So
Okay, I'll
count it
recount it.
again. and or make it into a table to come up with a pattern, to come up with the
Okay.
equation. I'm not taking your faces, just your work. Okay? All right. So what's your equation?
Okay, so our equation that we thought of. Well, first we estimated that there's a possible probably 55 combinations.
Why?
We just saw the colors and then we were like, wait.
You saw the
And
colors and
yeah, we kind of made pairs out of it. We had to visualize first. So 55. And then I just forgot my equation.
So
Give way?
yeah, 55 is the correct answer. So we're trying to find. So combination. What is a flavor? 2 times flavor times 10. So if we have 10 flavors, 2 times 10 would be 20 times 10 would be 200. But you have 55. So polish your equation until it gives you the 55. So that if we have 20 flavors, we are gonna come up, we can use the equation. We can use any number. Just say
Wait, no, we
Combos or
combos.
combination.
All right, we got 100.
100?
Because
Okay.
with 10 flavors, each flavor has 10 combinations. Times 10 is 100.
Okay, so 10 times 10, but you cannot use another combination. Once you use one combination, then you cannot use
Hold
that
on. So you can't
anymore.
reuse a flavor in a 2 combination or a 3?
You cannot reuse it in
So
a
say-
two
All right, then
combination.
it's
we
90.
have this.
90.
It's like this, and then we can't do like blue and red.
Hold on, wait. So we can't put red and red together, basically.
You could put red and red.
All right.
But
But-
we can't do red and blue, then blue and red.
Yeah, you cannot
can't
do
do
it.
that?
You cannot do
Then it
it.
would be 90.
Yeah.
90?
Because then you're subtracting 10.
Yeah, you're subtracting 10 combinations from each, right?
Okay, so your numbers are too big. Try to use that and see if it's really big. Gonna be 999. If you're gonna have 9 for each color, because 9 is 9 times 10. That means each flavor you're gonna have 9 each. So that's a lot. There's gonna be extra numbers there. So use that, and
Wait a minute.
I'm gonna tell you if you got it wrong. So
One combination gets subtracted each time, so it's
We can
Alright.
do like a graph or what, a table, right?
Our graph. We wanted to do like list all the colors this way and then list them all that way and make the, I don't know what it's called, but like when you check off like which combinations. I don't know how to explain it.
a mapping. Can you draw?
So like, okay, let's do like this, right? We have these. This is like our X, and then this is gonna be our Y. We have the colors, and then we just check off like that.
Okay, so for example, green, then you're gonna have how many combinations?
No.
How many are there for green? How many did you?
Wouldn't there be 10?
10. So green, you got 10. For coral, you got 9. For blue, you got 8. And then what did you do with those numbers?
We added them.
Okay. So that's a clue to your equation. You're adding those, and
We had 55.
So we could go like, okay, so we could go like green is like 8, right? I mean 10 is 10.
you get it. You
Yeah.
have to do it in a T-chart
The teacher.
to get an equation.
No, I'm working on an equation. I'm working on that.
We need a combination.
Here you go.
That's
Plus 10. Explain it. We found out what the exclamation point means.
what is it?
1 through the number that
One to the number.
of like flavors there is.
No, 1 to the number. If you add them or you 4 with
multiply them?
exclamation mark, it'd be 4 times 3 times